Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Hypernatural AI, which is an AI video platform that is going to make it very easy for you to create videos and basically publish your social media in a click. Today I will show you how you can use Hypernatural AI to turn any script, podcast or idea into stunning short form videos and without any editing skills required. The first thing, of course, is going to be to sign up to this page, and you can just sign up with an email or with a Gmail account, or you just using your Google account. You're just going to land on this dashboard here, and even if you have like a free account without a paid plan, you're going to have access to 100 credits, which is plenty enough to just try this tool and see if it's good for you or not. In the case that you want to upgrade your account or you want to buy more credits, I just want you to click on this button here that says 100 credits. And then you can just, first of all, you can choose whether you want to pay annually or monthly. And you can choose whatever plan you actually want. Okay, you have three plans: the creator plan, the pro plan, or the ultimate plan. I think the creator is actually plenty good enough if you want to actually have like a more advanced use. And the pro is probably too overkill. You can also check how many credits does it cost to use AI if you just click on this little question mark here. In any case, back to the main dashboard, I'm just going to show you, first of all, the three main features that we have, which is, first of all, we have the video section, which is here, which we're going to explore later. The character section, okay, in which you can create a story with a certain character based on these characters that you have here. Okay, you have a bunch of them, and you can explore them further. And you can also create your new character, okay, which I will show you how to do later. And if you go to the explore features, what you can do is you can basically see what other videos some users have created before, and you can maybe take inspiration from them, okay? What I like about this is that you can actually filter from, language to style to the characters and so on and so on. Now, from the video section, you have many options, but we're just gonna go with the basic one, which is to create a new clip. So I'm gonna show you here, so just click on new clip. I'm just going to paste this little script, okay? And as you can see here, it's going to give you the duration, okay, which in my case is 57 seconds. This is how long it's going to take for the narrator to read this script. And what's important to note is that on a free plan, your time cap is going to be 1 minute, okay? So you need actually a paid plan if you want to go over this duration. Now here, you can basically select the narrator voice, okay? And you can actually hear her or him.
Every character does
Before you actually go to continue, okay? So just select whatever voice you like, okay? And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna select this guy here and click on continue. Now, I got this little warning here that says you need to upgrade for a paid plan to use this voice because it has this little icon in here. So I'm just gonna choose a free voice instead. So you just scroll down until you find a free voice. Click on continue. So I'm just going to select, 8 bits for this one. I think it's going to look good. Let's click on continue. You can also upload your logo and select the caption style. Okay, you have many different trendy options in terms of caption. I'm going to select this one here. And now, basically, what the AI is going to do is going to replace or is going to extract the information from your voiceover, and it's going to give you a set of characters, okay, that it detected, all right? In my case, it actually gave me one children, a cotton, which is like a dog, and birds, okay? And you can replace them with whatever character you actually want. So let's select, for example, these children, and let's replace them with someone else. I don't know, maybe someone that looks more childish. All right, and you can also do the same for the other characters, okay? You can edit it and so on and so on, but this requires a paid plan. You should always keep this consistent characters option checked, because if not, the characters are going to change between one image and the other, which you don't want, okay? Yeah. After you're ready, just click on generate video. Now, after a couple of minutes, you're going to have your video ready. As you can see here, it actually lasts 55 seconds, and it's pretty good so far. I've checked it, and it looks good enough. Maybe not the final style that I would go for, but yeah. Now, this works similarly to any other video editing software in the sense that you can select each clip. For example, as you can see here, you can select from each of these, and you can scroll to the right with this button here or to the left, and you can play and go back and forth with the sliders here. And yeah, so I'm just going to select this one, for example, and I'm going to play it for you.
a pale morning light stretched across the sky as cotton.
All right. Now, from here, you can basically select the image, okay? And you can also select this option of animate, and you can choose to animate this image. Right now, what this is right now is just a simple image that has like a scroll animation. As you can see here in the right panel, we have it so that it's going to go downwards, okay? But yeah, so let's say that you want to actually animate this. You can just click on this button, image, and you can either animate with Kling or to animate with this one, for example, which is the same as this animation here. Now, Clink is actually going to take you more credits, but let's actually try it. And here you can see after a couple minutes how this image looks with the animation.
A pale morning light stretched across the sky is caught.
Not a big difference in my opinion, and it costs 15 credits, so maybe not worth it actually. Okay, something that you can also do is you can modify the transitions, okay? And how are you going to do this is by going to a clip, for example. As you can see, if I play this clip again,
A small, curious cloud drifted free from the heavier gray mass.
there's a small transition there, okay, kind of like a drag, like a curtain that we can modify. If we click on this button, edit transitions, we have like a wipe transition now, and you can change it to, I don't know, to cube, fade, so on and so on, depending on what you actually like. Okay, cool. In general, you're gonna have many different options from these panels as well that you can, and you can modify the video to your liking until you're happy with it. But yeah, now after you're ready to export your video, just click on export here, and you can share this with your friends by copying this link. You can change it to public or to private or hidden. And you can also export to basically a file to your PC, okay? So you have SD, 700p, and 880p, okay? So this is something important. You're only gonna be able to export in HD if you have like a paid plan, okay? So I find that very inconvenient. Just click on Start Sport, and that's gonna be it. And what you can also do is you can create B-roll, okay, in this section here. But yeah, what I find is that these three options, the storytelling options, are actually the best option. These ones are not so good in my opinion. Now, talking about the character section, you can of course create a new character by clicking in here. Just give it a name, give it a bio, and upload an image, okay, of a real person that you want to characterize. Now, in the explore section, you can grab ideas by just clicking on one of the videos, such as this one, for example. And what I like about this is that you can see the voiceover or the prompt that was generated or that's, you know, was made for the creation of this video here. Okay, you can just watch it in here. Okay, and you can just copy paste it somewhere else or modify it to your liking. So yeah, to summarize, Hypernatural AI delivers lighting-fast video creation with a lot of styling and voice options, and it's perfect for social concepts, for social content actually. On the downside, I find that the free tier is very, very limited. Transcription can be sometimes very glitchy, and the advanced editing and controls are still in the roadmap. Thank you so much, guys.